Hi, this is Marcellus Duffy with the Duffy team at Berkshire Hathaway Home Service Alliance Real Estate. I'm here today with Addison Myers at USA Mortgage, and we are going to talk about some of the loan programs that are available to home buyers. One is, it's not new, it's the FHA loan, but it's my understanding that the minimum credit score for the FHA loan has gone down a little bit. Can you talk a little bit about that?
So an FHA loan has already had a lower end credit score in relationship towards the what they call the typical criterias. Okay, FHA was the replacement they put in place for back before 2008 was called the subprime market. That subprime market was a higher risk borrowers. FHA provides a lower down payment in most situations, 3.5%, and a lower credit score requirement to meet the criteria to get the loan approved, which right now it's at a 580. Now, certain instances...
No, wait a minute. It's 580?
It's a 580.
So, wasn't it like a 620 before? Or?
Well, so what happens is when investors take on these loans, they write their own rules called overlays. Okay. These overlays are set in place, and that's what the investor puts out there. That's why all these mortgage companies out there do not offer the exact same qualifying factors, because they don't have the same investors.
Okay. So is it... so a 580 credit score, what kind of points is somebody paying for a loan like that?
Well, so the loan that is offered on the market rate, okay, there is loan level pricing adjustments. Your interest rate that is offered is essentially how they calculate the risk of the loan. Mm-hmm. When you have a lower end credit score, typically, unless you have other compensating factors, they're going to bump up that interest rate a little bit. And that scale varies from loan type, down payment amount, debt to income ratio, as well as your credit score, okay? So no points would actually be charged on that loan unless you elect to buy down that rate. Okay? You will be offered that day's market rate, but that will be on the higher side of the market.
Right. Okay. So are there any circumstances where somebody could come in at something less than a 580?
There are circumstances that can take place where you can get qualified with a score that is lower than a 580. Okay? There are also programs out there that are not FHA related. They're portfolio products that would be able to go down to an even lower credit score. Okay. All right?
Did the credit scores for the other types of loans go down any?
They did not. Scores? And these minimum scores have actually all been set in place by the Federal Lending Authority, the federal government. What is being offered now is the investors are actually allowing for lower scores to take that loan in.
Gotcha.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. All right, so if you're a first-time home buyer, or if you're purchasing your second home or your next home, and you're a little worried about your credit score being a little low, with this new 580 credit score for FHA loan, I don't know, you should give me a call so we can talk about it and get you in touch with Addison and we can see what they can do for you. This is the Duffy team signing off.